This next one pot pasta hits all the right notes if you're craving a cheesy alfredo or a mac and cheese, except we elevate it by adding a creamy and savory bite from the gorgonzola. It's for one of those more decadent dinners, you know? So we're gonna start by boiling off our pasta, and I'm gonna cook it in salted water for 12 minutes. So technically it's not all made in one pot all at once like our last two, but we're still just using one pot here, and it's really simple. I'm gonna cook 2 cups of shell pasta in boiling salted water for 12 minutes. Once it's done, I'll drain it and set it aside. And now our one pot magic begins. Using the same pot, I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, let it melt, and then I'm gonna add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and let it cook for about 2 minutes until it's nice and fragrant. Once that's done, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour, let it cook to get out that raw taste, and then we're gonna pour in our half and half, slowly. The reason why I'm pouring the milk in slowly is so that we don't get any clumps. So while you're adding the milk, make sure to whisk and stir any clumps of the flour out. I'm making a cheesy smooth sauce, and this is where the cheese comes in. I have half a cup of shredded parmesan, and then I'm gonna add half a block of our gorgonzola cheese. Now, this is where you can kind of eyeball everything. If you don't like it too pungent, you can just use a little bit, but if you like it a little bit stronger, go ahead and use a little bit more. Our sauce is starting to thicken, so now I'm gonna add the shells back in, and then to make it a little healthier, a giant handful of baby spinach and some chopped tomatoes. It's all about balance here. Some salt to taste, and we'll give it a mix. Mix, mix, mix. All right, this is perfect. Let's eat. For this one, a little bit goes a long way, so this size is perfect enough for me. The sauce is cheesy with kind of a nutty, sharp bite, just how I like it. Another option, instead of using shell pasta here, is to use ravioli. Cheese ravioli goes so well with this sauce right here. Trust me on that.